Hi guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Alice Walker here from alicewalker.land, and I'm sure you know me by now. Today's video is a very exciting video. It is not makeup, it's actually a giveaway time. This is going to be actually a quick one actually because it is so hot. It is boiling here. In 2 seconds my makeup will start melting. To prevent my makeup melting, I need to go straight to the point. I wanted to do this giveaway when I reached 1,000 subscribers, but for some strange reason I did not get a chance to do it. I have way gone past 1,000 subscribers. I would like to take this opportunity to thank you guys, my loyal subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. I see you guys, I see all your comments, I see your likes, your encouragement, and I do appreciate every single one of you, and I love every single one of you. Just to say thank you to you guys, I decided to do this giveaway. For you to enter this giveaway, I'm going to make it so simple and so easy for as many of you guys to enter as possible. Initially I wanted to do 2 people, but I decided to go for 4 because I wanted to give more people a chance to win. All you have to do is to be subscribed to my YouTube channel, obviously. Leave a comment for me on this video letting me know that you want to be entered into that giveaway, and also follow me on Instagram, like a picture on there and comment on there to let me know that you want to be entered as well. I will leave my Instagram name somewhere on the screen. The deadline for this giveaway will be the 17th of August. As soon as you see this video, the competition or the giveaway is open, and it's open internationally. I am going international. I will leave the details down in my description bar. So this is it. This is all the stuff in there. There's going to be 4 winners. I will just draw it out of a hat basically, so it'll be random. Like I said, it is boiling, so we're just going to go straight to the point. So I'm going to tell you what I've got in the giveaway. So the first thing I've got here is the Deep Action 2-in-1 Charcoal Cleansing Mask. There it is. I've used it before and it's absolutely amazing. I've got 4 lashes. These lashes are so pretty. See, that one is a different one, so these lashes are so pretty. I've also got another Charcoal and Bamboo Ultra Purifying Face Wash, which is so good. So there it is, from T-Zone Revolution, the Makeup Revolution London palette. So I don't want to open it. I don't want to open this palette because I don't want to touch it and make it all dirty. I want to keep it intact for you guys. But these are the colors. It's at the back. You can see they're absolutely gorgeous. I've also got the Glow Kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I don't want to open them, like I said. And I've also got the Makeup Revolution brushes, Ultra Metal Gold Contouring. So it's actually the contouring brushes. And I've also got the Zoeva palette. And let me open it because this one is so, but I will make sure that I don't touch it. It doesn't have a mirror, but these are the colors. Just absolutely gorgeous. Look at the gorgeous colors in there. Just another one under Zoeva, which is, let's see, oh my, look at that, look at that. That is a gorgeous palette. It's just so gorgeous. Pixi Skin Treat is 3-in-1. The Peel and Polish is got the Glow Tonic and the Rose Flash Balm in there. And I've got the Becca primer. This primer is absolutely amazing. Then I've got the L'Oreal Paris Hydro Genius Aloe Water. This is absolutely good as well. So anyway, and I've got the hyaluronic acid. There you go. I've actually used this before and it absolutely brilliant. It's a hydration one. I use this one and it is so good. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. God bless. Bye. Mwah. Love you guys. Hyaluronic. Sorry, I can't pronounce it. Is it hyaluronic? I can't pronounce it. Just forgive me. So is the hyaluronic? It's have I pronounced it right? But it's the ordinary hyaluronic. You know what? I give up. I give up. Okay.